Alright, so I thought I'd do a remake of this fan, since I didn't really think my other one was good. So, anyway, this is a Hampton Bay Littleton with blue and green blades. And also, what I forgot to mention in my first video of this fan, I, I forgot to mention that I was gonna do a video of this fan before the blades got painted, but I didn't really get the chance to. So, my dad installed this in my brother's room. He installed it in here 2 months ago. Or, he installed this 2 months ago. If you're wondering why it doesn't have a globe, because, well, while I was getting out the parts for the fan, I accidentally broke it, but it still looks fine. Anyway, I'm gonna demonstrate it now. Here is the light. And now I'm going to sorry. Now I'm going to demonstrate the fan. So here's low. So this fan kind of has a perfect low speed. Here's low with the light on. Okay, so here's medium. I could kind of hear a noise from the motor. How do you give it? Here's medium with the light on. And now here's high. It kind of shakes a bit. but I don't think you guys can really see it shake. And there's kind of a clicking noise. I don't know where that's coming from. There's highway with the light on. And now here's off. Oh, and this fan is a hugger, by the way, which you could probably tell. I mean, which you can tell. And this is the first hugger that's installed in our house, because yeah, but we don't really have any other huggers. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait for it to spin down. Wait, no. I'm not sure if you can tell, but it's the housing and the motor are kind of like they're kind of like they're kind of like stuck on like the housing is like I don't know the housing's like is like tilting like to the right. So yeah. Oh, and Jesus. So if you guys don't really know what the green and blue blades are about, they're supposed to represent the Seattle Sounders. Yeah, I know that they look like the Seahawks, but my brother doesn't really like the Seahawks. Anyway, so that's it. Bye.